refrigerator. Its capacity is 674 liter. It is recommended for families having more than 5 members. One side is the freezer, other side the fridge. It has anti-bacterial. It cools very lightly. It has digital inverter compressor, so it uses less electricity and lasts longer. It is very silent. Fridge. You could put fruits here and in the basket too. You can put the fruits in the 2 box or even the vegetables if you want. You can keep anything if you want there. The foods, only foods like fun food, paneers like that. This is the freezer. This is the ice. You could do ice cream if you want. You could put any fridge things like ice cream, kulfis, etc. You can put pizzas, naan-bread, and even these things you want. This is the freezer temperature. So it's minus 23 degrees. Temperature of freezer is minus 23 degrees. This is the fridge of the temperature. This is by 4 degrees. Power cool 3 seconds. You could press 3 seconds. It will come on the symbol. This is the vacation. This is the control lock. You could, if you want 3 seconds, it will come like water symbol. Same way.